In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice using Zoho Invoice. This step-by-step guide is perfect for anyone getting started with this powerful invoicing tool. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. To begin, you need to make sure you're logged into your Zoho Invoice account. If you're not already, take a moment to do that now. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll want to locate the section labeled Invoices. Give it a click and you'll be taken to the Invoice Management area. This is where you can conveniently view and manage all of your invoices. Now we're ready to create a new invoice. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Plus New. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of creating a new invoice. When you do so, a new window will open up asking you to fill in the key details of your invoice. For the customer selection, you'll have a couple of options. If you're working with an existing client, simply choose their information from the drop-down menu that appears. If this invoice is for a new client, go ahead and click on Plus New Customer to add their details. Once you've selected or added the customer, their email will automatically populate in the appropriate field. This email address is important as it's the one that will be used to send the invoice directly to them. Next up is the invoice number, conveniently generated automatically by Zoho. However, if you need something more personalized, you can always customize the number format in the settings section. The invoice date will default to today's date, but feel free to change it if your business requires a different date. Now let's discuss payment terms. Zoho offers several options such as due on receipt, net 15, net 30, among others. Choose the one that best aligns with your business needs. You'll notice that the due date will automatically adjust based on the payment terms you select. Moving on, it's time to add products or services to the invoice. You'll do this by clicking on the plus add item button. For each item, you'll need to enter the quantity and rate. If applicable, you can also apply taxes. Furthermore, Zoho gives you the flexibility to offer discounts either on a per item basis or across the entire invoice, provided this feature is enabled in the settings. Don't forget to include any notes for your client or important terms and conditions in the designated section. This will provide clarity and professionalism. Additionally, you can enable online payment options like Stripe or PayPal, making transactions smooth and effortless for your clients. Once you've filled in all the details, you have the option to save the invoice as a draft if you'd like to review it later. Alternatively, you can click Save and Send to email it directly to your client. Zoho also allows you to download the invoice as a PDF or print it for your records. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating an invoice in Zoho Invoice. With a bit of practice, this process will become a quick and seamless part of your business operations. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.